Welcome to CAD Drawing Breakdown, where we decode professional architectural and interior CAD drawings used in real projects. What does a professional interior working drawing actually look like? Let's find out. For this video, we're looking at a master bedroom interior CAD drawing with furniture layout, wall elevations, wardrobe details, and a reflected ceiling plan. Let's take this drawing from Plan N Design Pro. So rather than simply showing you the finished design, let's open the actual CAD drawing and decode how the space has been planned. A luxury bedroom isn't created by expensive furniture alone. It's the result of careful planning, balanced proportions, smart storage, thoughtful lighting, and detailed interior drawings. Today we're going to decode a complete master bedroom AutoCAD drawing used by architects and interior designers. Well, this is the actual drawing, and here we will look at how the bedroom should be planned, how each wall should look, how the furniture should be positioned, how the ceiling should be designed, and how the interior can ultimately be executed. So let's break it down step by step. Let's begin with the furniture layout. The room measures approximately 19 feet 3 inches by 13 feet 6 inches, providing enough space for a premium bedroom without making it feel oversized. Well, the most important piece, the bed. It's centrally placed against the feature wall with side tables balancing both sides. Opposite the bed, the TV unit is planned at a comfortable viewing distance. A cozy accent chair creates a dedicated reading corner, and 2 sliding wardrobes are planned on either side of the washroom entrance. See how the clear circulation has been planned around every furniture piece. Remember that designing a bedroom isn't simply fitting furniture into the room. The real challenge is maintaining comfortable circulation between all of the elements, and this is what this layout provides. This is wall C, the feature wall behind the bed. It is designed in laminated MDF panels with warm wood finishes and vertical decorative metal strips. Notice the vertical treatment. It doesn't just add decoration. It creates visual rhythm and can make the wall feel taller. The combination of warm wood and neutral surfaces creates a softer atmosphere. And then we have the corner window, which brings natural light into the room without compromising the main furniture arrangement. Now let's move to the opposite wall. The TV unit is integrated into a feature panel rather than simply placing a television on a blank wall. The lower cabinet provides storage, while the surrounding panel creates a visual frame for the television. Even the wall clock becomes part of the composition rather than appearing as an isolated object. When designing a feature wall, think about the entire composition, not individual objects. TV, cabinet, lighting, artwork, and decorative elements should feel like one design system. Now we come to one of the most practical parts of the room, the wardrobes. 2 sliding wardrobes are planned on either side of the washroom entrance. This arrangement provides substantial storage while keeping the circulation zone relatively clean. And because the wardrobes have sliding shutters, the doors don't swing into the room when opened. That's a small decision. But in a bedroom of this size, small decisions can have a big impact. Now let's look upward. The reflected ceiling plan coordinates lighting, ceiling levels, and decorative gypsum work into one integrated design. Instead of randomly placing lights, every fixture aligns with the furniture layout below. This is one of the key differences between professional interior drawings and simple concept sketches. And this is why a professional working drawing contains more than just a floor plan. The plan tells us where things go. The elevation tells us how the wall looks. The section helps explain how the design is constructed, and the RCP tells us what happens above. Together, these drawings turn a design idea into something that can actually be communicated and executed. Preparing a working drawings like this from scratch requires hours of planning, detailing, coordination, and revisions. That's why professional architects and interior designers rely on high-quality CAD references to speed up drafting work. At Plan N Design Pro, the idea is simple. We provide professionally prepared CAD drawings to architects and interior designers so they can spend less time repeating basic drafting work and more time designing. Find the drawing you need, study the details, download the editable DWG, and adapt it to your project requirements. The download link is available in the description below. If this video was useful, subscribe and join us for the next CAD drawing breakdown.